Hey everyone, it's Akin here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of container security, a topic that's absolutely crucial for anyone running applications in today's dynamic tech landscape. Think about it. Containers offer incredible flexibility and scalability, but they also introduce potential security risks if not managed properly. We'll cover everything from vulnerability scanning to incident response, ensuring you have the knowledge and tools to build a robust security posture for your containerized applications. So, whether you're just starting with containers or looking to level up your security game, stick around for this comprehensive guide.
All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of container security: image scanning. Now, when we talk about container images, we're essentially talking about the blueprints of your applications. They contain everything needed to run your software, but sometimes these images might unknowingly harbor hidden vulnerabilities. That's where image scanning comes in. It's like having a fine-tooth comb that meticulously examines every layer of your container image, searching for any known weaknesses or exploits. Scanning your container images before deployment is critical for identifying and mitigating potential security risks from the get-go. There are fantastic tools available, both open source and commercial, that can automate this process for you. By integrating regular image scanning into your development pipeline, you're essentially building a security checkpoint right at the start.
Now, securing your container images is a critical first step, but the security journey doesn't end there. We need to ensure robust protection for our containers while they're actively running in our environment. That's where Runtime Security takes center stage. Think of Runtime Security as the vigilant bodyguard for your containers, constantly monitoring for any suspicious activities or behavior that might indicate a breach. One of the key aspects of Runtime Security is implementing strong access controls. We want to limit the potential attack surface and ensure that only trusted entities can interact with our running containers. Another crucial aspect is intrusion detection and prevention. By implementing robust runtime security measures, we create a proactive defense layer that helps us stay one step ahead of potential threats. All right, let's talk about network segmentation, a powerful security principle that's especially critical in the world of containers. Imagine your containerized environment as a bustling city. You wouldn't want all the different neighborhoods with their unique functions and security needs to be directly accessible from anywhere, would you? That's essentially what network segmentation helps us achieve. It's about dividing our containerized environment into smaller isolated segments or zones based on their security requirements. By segmenting our network, we limit the potential blast radius of an attack. If one container or segment is compromised, the attacker won't have free rein over the entire environment. The isolation helps contain the breach and prevents it from spreading to other critical areas. By implementing strong network segmentation, we create secure boundaries within our environment, limiting the impact of potential breaches.
Let's talk about a fundamental security principle: access controls. Access controls define who can interact with our containers and what actions they can perform. Think of it like security guards checking credentials and granting access based on rules. The goal is to ensure only authorized users and applications can interact with our containers. Role-based access control, or RBAC, is effective for this. With RBAC, we define roles with specific permissions and assign users to those roles. All right, let's talk about a security practice that's often overlooked but is absolutely crucial for maintaining a secure containerized environment: regular updates. Think of your container software, like your operating system, libraries, and applications, as a car. Just like your car needs regular maintenance, oil changes, and software updates to run smoothly and safely, your container environment requires the same level of care. Software vulnerabilities are constantly being discovered, and malicious actors are always on the lookout for systems that haven't been patched. Regular updates are essential for patching these vulnerabilities, fixing bugs, and ensuring that our containers are running the latest and most secure versions of their software. Tools like automated image building and deployment pipelines can significantly streamline this process. By integrating updates into our CI/CD pipelines, we can ensure that our containers are automatically rebuilt and redeployed with the latest security patches. Stay proactive, stay updated, and keep those containers secure.
Now, in an ideal world, Our security measures would always be impenetrable, but the reality is that breaches can happen. That's why having a well-defined incident response plan specifically tailored for containerized environments is not just a good practice, but an absolute necessity. Think of your incident response plan as your emergency playbook, outlining the steps to take in case of a security incident. It's about having a clear and concise roadmap that guides your team through the process of identifying, containing, eradicating, and recovering from a security event. A comprehensive incident response plan for containers should include several key elements. First and foremost, it's crucial to establish clear roles and responsibilities for incident response. Having a predefined structure ensures a swift and coordinated response. All right, let's talk about securing our container registries, the repositories where we store our precious container images. Think of your container registry as the library of your containerized applications, housing all the blueprints and components needed to build and deploy your software. Just like you wouldn't want unauthorized access to a library of valuable books, protecting our container registries from unauthorized access and tampering is paramount. One of the fundamental aspects of registry security is access control. We need to ensure that only authorized users and systems have access to our registry, whether it's for pushing new images, pulling existing ones, or even just listing the available repositories. Another crucial aspect is image integrity verification. By digitally signing our images, we can ensure that any changes made to the image after signing will be detected, preventing the use of compromised or malicious images. Regular vulnerability scanning of our registry is also essential.
Securing our containerized environments is just the beginning. Continuous monitoring is key to maintaining security. Monitoring is the heartbeat of container security. Log management is crucial. Logs provide insights into health, performance, and security. Unusual resource spikes can indicate malicious activity. Monitoring metrics helps detect performance issues and anomalies. All right, let's talk about a crucial aspect of container security that's often overlooked, but is absolutely essential for maintaining a secure and manageable environment: documentation. Think of your container security documentation as the comprehensive handbook for your environment. It's the single source of truth that outlines your security policies, procedures, configurations, and incident response plans. Thorough documentation serves several critical purposes. Firstly, it ensures consistency and repeatability. By documenting your security processes and configurations, you create a standardized approach to security that can be easily followed by your team. This is especially important in large organizations or environments where multiple teams might be responsible for different aspects of container security. Secondly, documentation facilitates knowledge sharing and collaboration. All right, we've covered a lot of ground on securing our containerized environments, but there's one crucial element that ties everything together: training. Technology can provide us with powerful tools and techniques, but it's ultimately the people who are responsible for implementing, managing, and maintaining security. Think about it. Even the most secure system in the world can be compromised if the people using it aren't aware of potential threats or best practices. That's why investing in regular security training for your team is paramount. Effective security training should cover a wide range of topics, from the basics of container security to more advanced concepts like incident response and threat hunting. Training shouldn't be a one-time event.
And there you have it. A comprehensive look at the essential best practices for mastering secure containerization. Remember, securing containers is an ongoing journey, not a destination. By embracing these practices, staying informed, and fostering a security-first mindset, you can confidently navigate the exciting world of containers while safeguarding your applications and data. We've covered a lot of ground, from the importance of regular image scanning and runtime security to the power of network segmentation and access controls. But most importantly, we've emphasized that security is a team effort. So go forth, implement these best practices, and level up your container security game today.